Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Small Business 101 here on Arbeit U.
Yes, and as always, these are my favorite episodes ever in our Small Business 101 series. Do you know why?
No.
Because we talk about sales.
Sales.
Yes, the
Something
most important, the only thing.
Not good at.
The most important thing of any corporation. But today we're talking about something, well, not debatable.
Yeah.
Today we're talking about something very specific, right? We're talking about using video in your sales sequence. For those of you who get our calls or our sales approach, you know for a fact that we are very into using videos as a form of communication or cold calling.
Yep.
So the reason we do that is for a multitude of reasons, right? Like one, it helps people know who you are, right? Like if I call you, let's say I call you 100 times in a row, right? You're never gonna remember me. But if I send you 10 videos in a row, you're much more likely to know who I am versus an individual cold call, right? So that's the first thing, is it helps with the notoriety. The second thing it does is it breaks the norm, right? So, sales is kind of, there's an old school approach where you just call the guy or girl, keep calling them. Video's a little different, right? Like, not too many people, open an email and instead of a boring email with just a written template, there's a video. And we take it a step further where we use custom videos. So each person we attempt to contact gets their own unique video that our sales team makes just for them. So it's not every day that someone gets this video with a sign that'll say hi in their name. So that's unique and specific to them. The second thing it obviously solves is it helps you stand out, it helps us be different.
Right.
So, and then the third thing is obviously, it's cool, it's different.
Yeah, and it's what you might be thinking is, I don't have time to make a video for every person. That's not true. It probably takes just about the same amount of time as it does to make a phone call to that person. To record the video once you get it processed down.
I would argue it's quicker because there's no waiting, there's no on hold, there's no waiting. You know what I mean?
Yeah, to record the actual video, but then you gotta film it, edit it. But once you get that process down, it's
but that's not sales. I don't care about people editing.
Yeah. But still, even with all that put into it, it does not take as long. So. It's definitely not like a huge time sink, and it is cool. It's unique. We just started to do it kind of. We've gotten really good results.
We've had people. We have one person in particular call one of our salespersons back off one of those videos and said, "Listen, I get thousands of cold calls a week. I have never called someone back except for you because you sent me a personalized video."
Right.
That's like a direct quote. So. That guy is that definitely helped Ashley stand out in his mind.
Right. Yeah. It's cool. It's something. I think a lot of people talk about it if you pay attention to the marketing and such and sales that people are talking about it as like the new thing.
And especially when you have this face, you want to get it on camera as much as you can.
So if you're not using video, you should be. Try it out. See if it works.
Let us know.
Yeah. If you are using it, let us know how it's going for you. If you got any
commission
results.
rate's 10%.
And we'd love to hear from you.
And get that commission.
So, thank you.
And see you next week.
See you next week.